What's up guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how to get automatic updates on Xbox One. And so basically, first you just gotta go to your settings and then go down to system, go to updates, and then go to keep my games and apps up to date. So basically what that does is that it every time the game's gonna update, like let's say like Fortnite, when the game's gonna get updated, like at 3 a.m, it's gonna update at that time. That's when the update's gonna start. So you don't have to, when you turn on your Xbox, you don't have to update it yourself and then you have to wait. You can just hop on and then go in the game. And you can also turn on keep my console up to date. So when you turn it off, it will update as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm out. Peace.